Good afternoon, Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. I'm Tyler Royce from Campus Weather Service with your Tuesday afternoon update. And the meteor memos that we really want to focus on for today is that we might see an afternoon storm as we have a weak cold front going to be pushing through the state later today and into tonight. But with that, we might have some big changes coming for the later of the week, and I'll detail that later on in the forecast. And with those big changes, a fall-like weekend here across most of the state, especially for Parents Weekend here at Penn State. So temperatures around at this hour: 73 in State College, 74 in Pittsburgh. The warm spot, Philadelphia, is at 77 right now, so almost 80 degrees at this noontime hour. And the cool spot is Williamsport at 65 right now. And that's kind of cool for this time. So if we broaden our perspective, when we take a look at the nation, we have a cool air mass up in the northern plains of the Rocky Mountains, and we have a warm air mass along the south and east coast. And what's going to happen is we have a clash of warm and cool air here. Normally we see this later in fall and in springtime, but in reality it's the cooler air making a dive down to the United States for this time of year. And that's what we're going to be seeing, and that's what we're seeing right now, is this dive down, this clash of air masses as we have a cold front coming through. So satellite right now is basically showing clear conditions, mostly sunny skies for the eastern seaboard. Tropical storm Maria is very disorganized at this point. It's not going to make landfall at all near us. So the forecast map for today, we have a cold front bearing down upon us. As we progress this through, we're going to see it comes Wednesday, comes through us. Thursday we have this more important cold front coming through, so that by Thursday midday and afternoon, we'll be dealing with cooler temperatures as high pressure starts to wiggle in. So we start off with a upper level trough here. That's remnants of Tropical Storm Lee still with us. But as that progresses out, this is the trough with the cooler air aloft that we have to worry about as it comes over us for Thursday into Friday and into the weekend. It's going to provide us with some cooler air. This upper high pressure area up here is providing warmer temperatures for the Midwest. So your forecast for today: 82 here in State College and surrounding regions, with that chance of an afternoon storm. Not everyone's going to see one. Low 55. It's Wednesday, it's going to be comfortable, so you have to study outside. I suggest to go do it. High 73, but the difference between the low on Wednesday and the high on Thursday is only 10 degrees. 50 for Wednesday, 60 for a high, with scattered thunderstorms in the morning, followed by cooler air afterwards. Low 42. And if you take a look at our 5-day forecast, once we get to Thursday, that's when the big change comes. If we stay in the 60s, becomes fall-like for Parents Weekend. But one thing I want to notice is for those cooler locations for Thursday into Friday and Friday into Saturday, overnight lows 42 and 42. Those cooler valleys and upper places could see lows in the mid to upper 30s. So frost might be around the corner, you never know. I'm Tyler Royce for Campus Weather Service. Have an excellent Tuesday.